Hi friends, I've brought a new multivitamin tablet for you, which is Ibret 500 Gradumet. This medication is a multivitamin and iron product used to treat or prevent vitamin deficiency due to poor diet, certain illnesses, or during pregnancy. Vitamins and iron are important building blocks of the body and help keep you in good health. This medication has been used for prevention and treatment of iron deficiency and associated marginal nutritional deficiencies. It has iron 525 milligram, vitamin C 500 milligram, nicotinamide 30 milligram, calcium pantothenate 10 milligram, vitamin B1 6 milligram, vitamin B2 6 milligram, vitamin B6 5 milligram, vitamin B12 25 microgram. I have found that specifically this multivitamin tablet is very useful in pregnant women because they lack some multivitamins in their diet, and this can prevent that deficiency. This can help cure and make new blood. So I really recommend this tablet for the women who are pregnant and who are trying to conceive. This can be taken with the breakfast, 1 tablet a day, and I hope you like the video. If you like our channel, please subscribe and share our channel. Thank you very much.